to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby.
Y'all, so I went and picked up Neriah this morning. Girl, tell me why Neriah broke her arm. She was, I guess, on the monkey bars. Clearly we were not there. She was out of town, and I guess she was on the monkey bars and fell on her arm the wrong way. So we just got back home. We drove down there, went and picked her up. That pissed me the fuck off because I didn't want to do that. Now she's back. We just got back home like 30 minutes ago, an hour ago. So I'm waiting on her to get out the car, but we're gonna take her to the emergency room and see what's going on. I did call her doctor, but he told us to take her to the emergency room because they don't have any like x-rays or anything like that at their facility. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pray for the best. Okay, pray for the best. I look like shit, okay? I was supposed to do this wig review last night. I got so fucking tired. And then this morning I had to get on the road. So I'm just glad to be back home. But I'm so frustrated this happened. So yeah, it's like she can't bend her arm straight out. Lord, I'm just praying everything's okay. But I'm just starting the vlog really because I really haven't started a vlog in a few days. So that's the vibe. Here you guys, I will see you guys later or let you know what's going on. I'm just starting the vlog, y'all. I'm just starting the vlog.
I need you to put your arm here with this. I'll move this over, okay? I'll help you. Good. Now hold it right there. That's perfect, okay? Put the camera.
Hey y'all, so we literally just left a little like x-ray room thing. He took pictures, so now we just waiting on the doctor to see if it's broken or not. I was standing by the guy when he was doing the x-rays and I was able to see some of the images and it looks like kind of broken. But then again, I'm not a doctor, I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at. Neriah. So, girl, just pray. I need to get to the bank by 6 and it's 4 o'clock, so they need to hurry up. But yeah, that's the vibe. I guess I'll catch up with y'all a little bit later when we get out this hospital. Cause I don't know. What the fuck is this? Hey vlog, what's good, what's poppin'? It is a new day. Okay, it is a new day, bitch. It is Saturday. I'm finna do some cleaning. It's 11:30, it's late. Like, I normally am out of bed at like 9 o'clock, but we like slept in today. So I'm actually getting ready to clean up the house and I gotta film this video for this hair company. Okay, so I'm new to the sponsorship thing, y'all. Like, don't judge me, okay? I'm new, but I got a sponsored video that I have to film. Do you know these motherfuckers be harassing you? Or at least maybe, I don't know, maybe that's just how it goes. But they're just like, hey, did you do the video yet? Hey, did you do the video yet? Hey, can we get the link to the video? They ready to pay and everything. And I'm like, oh. Okay, bitch, damn. I just got it 2 days ago. We're going to get this video out because they are like literally, I got like 6 emails from them like, hey, send us the link. We're ready to see the video, blah, blah, blah. So I'm like, okay, I'm coming, y'all, I'm coming. So I'm getting ready to, I'm finna clean up and then like I said, get myself together like a bona fide crackhead. Neriah arm, oh baby, it did break. I don't know, I know I showed y'all when I was in the hospital, but I don't know if I told y'all or if we talked since then, but her arm is broke. She does have this cast on. We got to follow up with another doctor in like 3 days. They said on Tuesday. So I'm gonna call them on Monday to confirm, but she has to go see another doctor to see if she needs like a better cast. Like, I don't know, what they gave her now is like a temporary cast. So they don't know if she's gonna have to get a real cast or if she's able to just like take it off. So I don't know, but that's what we're gonna follow up with the doctor with in about a couple of days. So yeah, I'm gonna get myself together. I might go ride it. I just want to get out this house. Y'all already know last weekend I ain't do a fuck thing, so I'm trying to do something today. Like I feel bad because her arm is broke, so I can't just like take her to a park nowhere, you know, but all is good, all is well, God is still good. So yeah, I will see y'all later. I know I look so bad, and I looked bad yesterday because I had to run down there and pick her up, which was a drive. I fucking hate taking that drive. So I had to run back there and pick her up, and I was just in no mood to look like somebody. But yeah, y'all, that is what's going on. I'm gonna bitch is back. Okay, we look alive. We look alive. Okay, we look alive. I'm heating up some macaroni from last night, and I'm gonna be leaving soon. Honestly, the only thing I really want to do is change out this powder I got from Sephora because I got the wrong shade. So I need to do that, and then I may stop at Ulta because I still got some of my gift cards. So that's really what I'm going to do, but I'm going to eat because I'm hungry as fuck. Here's the hair from You Nice. It is so nice. You guys will see the review before y'all see this video. So this is a good ass wig, y'all. Like, I'm all here for it. Okay, the lace is really, really good, and that honestly makes the difference between your installed or not. Because if it's the lace is like bad, or if it's thick, or if it's just like this offish color, it ain't gonna lay right. But honey, this wig is so cute. Very, very easy maintenance. I didn't have to pluck this wig. All I had to do was, you know, bleach the knots, put the wig on, and call it a day. Okay, it's so cute. I'm happy, and I like the original texture. It came in kind of like this wavy texture. I added some water to it to kind of make it curlier or whatever, but I like the texture that it came in. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Speaking of which, I'm gonna have to edit that video like right now. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm gonna have to edit that video like ASAP, like when I get back from Sephora, because they fucking hounded my email. Damn, I'm hungry. I ain't eat shit all day. It is like 3 o'clock. I need to put this in there for like 2 more minutes. What do y'all go to drinks? Like, honestly, I live for the Publix teas. These stay in my refrigerator, okay? And I only got one gallon left. But honey, I love Publix teas, you guys. I don't know what you drink, but bitch, we drink Publix tea, lemonade, Publix sweet tea, unsweet tea, crack, anything from Publix, I'm gonna drink it. Cause I really like their teas. So yeah, I'm just happy I look like somebody. I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the car. I gotta eat, bitch. It's hungry. Period. Hey y'all. So I made it in the car, and I'm actually gonna go to the mall. Y'all know I stay right behind the mall. So I'm going to the mall because I didn't know our mall had a Sephora, because we have a standalone Sephora that's like it's about like 10 minutes away. So that's where I would normally go. Like, that's the one I see all the time. I didn't know our mall had a Sephora, but it does. So I'm finna go do that. I'm finna go return this powder, and I just want a different shade. That's all I need. So hopefully it's not a problem. And then, like I said, I'm gonna go to Ulta. Period. Okay. So, girl, how about, so okay, so our little like 10-year high school reunion is coming up in June. I think it's in June. Is it in June? I don't know. But our 10-year anniversary high school reunion is in June. Like, you know, normally it's up to the I don't even fucking know what you would call like the president, like back in high school and shit, you know, it's president, parliamentarian, you know, that whole group. Well, the president, who was the president at the time, she's actually hosting an actual 10-year reunion, you know, and I'm like shocked that this is really going on, but I'm excited. But like, seriously, how do y'all feel about going back to your high school? How do you feel about even going to something like that? I'm definitely excited and I will definitely go. But I don't feel what happened to them hoes. As always, my phone runs out of storage and I'm getting so frustrated about it. So yes, I was talking about my 10-year reunion. Like, I just feel like the vibe, not to say, let's just be real, we're all grown here, okay, like we're adults, but back in the day, like, I just feel like it's not, I don't know, like, do you still fuck with the people from high school? I damn sure don't. There's only a few that I fuck with, and then it's like only one of them, which is Nigerian. You know, like, I just feel like it's gonna be weird. Like, I feel like the vibe is gonna be weird. Is it really worth it? And they want $130. Now, I ain't cheap, don't get me wrong, okay? I ain't got no problem paying $130, but you know, I mean, it better be the you know, king of all kings, baby. I better be able to get drunk, high. Hell, that shit better last all night, okay? I don't want to be in no venue for 2 hours and I'm paying $130 on no ma'am. I want the top of the line liquor, okay? Baby boo boo Jesus.